Hello, I am Jyoti Sharma and you're watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with the latest updates. On the occasion of Soil Health Day, Krishi Jagran has organized a webinar on the topic Significance of Controlling Soil Salinity through its Facebook Live. Many eminent speakers participated in the live session and addressed the topic.
अकेले भारतवर्ष में लगभग 68 मिलियन हेक्टेयर जमीन लवणता से प्रभावित है और इसे ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि भारत में कुल जितने क्षेत्रफल में धान होता है उसका 1.5 गुना हिस्सा लवणता से प्रभावित है। यानी अगर हम इस क्षेत्र को कृषि योग्य कर ले तो भारत सर्वोच्च अन्न उत्पादक देश बन सकता है। तो इतनी गंभीर समस्या है हमारे देश में। दूसरी चीज क्या है कि जब तक किसान को ये बात पता लगती है, लवणता जो है ना, इसे आप कैंसर की तरह समझिए, अंदर ही अंदर ये जमीन की उत्पादकता को गिराती रहती है और जब तक लक्षण दिखाई देते हैं तब तक बहुत देर हो चुकी होती है, लवणता बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ चुकी है।
IFFCO, in association with WA Go Green, becomes first co-op to launch its first agricultural drone training program. Dr. U.S. Avasthi, Managing Director of IFFCO, who inaugurated the program and wrote on social media that it is a highly appreciable step taken by Marketing Director for initiating this innovative training program of Krishi drone called as Krishi Viman. It will directly benefit our farmers for agricultural use. Agritech firm AgNext Technologies has partnered with NAFED to digitalize quality assessment for Arunachal Pradesh organic kiwis. These organic kiwis were launched in New Delhi by Arunachal Pradesh Agriculture Marketing Board APAMB along with NAFED as the marketing partner under the National One District One Product scheme. Shriram Farm Solution has introduced another powered packed science-backed innovation, Shriram Drip Potato. The company has launched the first ever fertigation product designed and developed for the potato crop at Shriram State-of-the-Art Research Facility, Center for Advanced Plant Nutrition (CAPN). The product is inspired by the endeavor to make farming ecologically sustainable and economically remunerative. Regro and partners NASA Harvest University of Nebraska, Lincoln and One Acre Fund have been awarded at Rs. $5 million 4-year grant from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation to conduct a crop optimization project in sub-Saharan Africa. Anastasia Volkova, PhD CEO and co-founder of Regro, said that not only will we be able to help breeders to optimize future crop varieties and build climate resilience, but we will build the body of knowledge and open access data sets that will help further research on climate adaptation and resilience. The Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Authority (PPVFRA) has revoked a PV certificate granted to PepsiCo India holding on a potato variety FL2027 on multiple grounds. Acting on a plea by farm activist Kavita Kuruganti, the authority felt that the grant of the certificate of registration was based on incorrect information furnished by the applicant. Honda Motor has set up its new subsidiary for battery sharing services in India with the capital of Rs 135 crore. The new subsidiary, Honda Power Pack Energy India Private Limited, offers battery sharing service for small mobility, which will accelerate the penetration of electric vehicles, limited range, long charging time, and high cost of batteries. A senior US senator in a meeting urged Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal to remove tariffs and barriers to trade on pulse crops. Republican Senator Steve Danis represents the state of Montana in the US Senate. Montana is the leading pulse growing state of the United States and certain tariffs imposed by India. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.